my name is Swan. I'm a first year student studying physics at UCL. I live at Denys Holland House, which is at Camden. I live in a single with the kitchens, bathrooms and toilets shared with other 10 students. So let's go and tour around my room first so you'll have a general idea of what a single at Denys looks like. I got a really spacious study desk with the drawers underneath, and just above that there's a shelf. I currently use it to store my books. And just beside my study space, there comes a little window I got. I usually sit by the window, read, or sometimes just observe people going in and out of the reception. The building you can see by here is the reception building. And those little two pots used to be the flower pots, but you know, they didn't survive. Also got a little cute couch, but I don't usually use it. I don't know why. And there comes my bed, which I just made. Opposite to my bed is my pin bed. Nothing much on the pin bed, just a calendar I got from UCL and some decorations done for me by my friend. And she also made that little vase. And down the pin bed, I got wooden drawers and the shelf that I used to store my snacks. So back to the entrance, I got the basins and the mirrors and light above. And opposite to that, this is my large cupboard. Today I got back to my room so early from the campus, so I'm going for an evening jogging in a park just beside our accommodation. It's very important to keep yourself fit, active and healthy while living and studying abroad, very far away from home. My top tip for jogging is to make sure you do a pre-jog stretch to warm up your muscles. I decided to jog this evening because the weather outside is too favorable to miss. Denys Holland House shared the compound with other UCL student accommodations like Eiffel Evans Hall and Stevenson houses. So we got the same common room at Max Rain and the dining hall at Eiffel Evans. It's a pretty huge compound with many outdoor spaces, like we got a tennis court, a garden, and also spaces to chill just in front of the reception. So the bus stop to the Bloom Street campus is just across the road, and in 5 minutes walk we got Camden Town Underground and Camden Road Overground as well. So living at the heart of vibrant Camden brings me many parks. The famous Camden Market, Regent's Canal and Regent's Park are easily accessible from my hall. I also like the fact that Asian groceries are just nearby. I usually jog in the sport court next to our hall, but today I literally made the right decision to run in this park. As spring is taking over steadily, it does get more pleasant to spend time outdoors more often. And yeah, that's the tip of Stevenson House you're seeing. My room is catered, so I get breakfast and dinner on weekdays and brunch on weekends. I also cook around 3 times a week to meal prep for the lunch. And as a custom to your flatmates, it's very mandatory to clean stoves and counters after your cooking. Today is Friday, so let's check what's left over in the fridge and the pantry for the coming week before going to the dinner. We eat dinner at Eiffel Evans Hall, and for Friday is my favorite fish and chips. I also did my laundry just after dinner today. I do laundry once every 2 weeks. The laundry rooms is also at Eiffel Evans Hall. We use same circuit laundry just like other accommodations. This new tapping system is really more efficient than the previous one. Alright guys, so I'm gonna sign out back to my studies with some clips I took during winter and spring. So see you around guys.